Actually, I didn't want to stand and say anything, but based on what I observed from the team that came here, okay, let me start by saying this. My name is Siabele Motsi. I'm from Tri Nutrition South Africa, based in Edenville. So we have about 5 candidates here. And what makes me so proud and happy about this training is, you know, I've been with this gentleman for about 12 years. To be honest with you, for the first time, I see the gentleman called Kuzai running like I don't know, he's more energetic. I never saw him running and then organizing and getting the plan so organized, running and then getting the results. So I think in these past nine days that you had with this gentleman, it really, we are really seeing the value of it. And I think the guys are more motivated, more energetic to get things done. And the numbers are there, to be honest with you. We're starting seeing the numbers that we didn't see for the past 12 years. So I think what they learned now is a very good tool for them to take it forward. And one other thing that I also start seeing now is the communication. There's a lot of changes that I've seen now. When they write the emails, when they write on the WhatsApp, very well structured. Guys, you are doing a very good job, so please keep it up. You are doing a very good job. Thank you.